Hi, I'm Maggie from Fearless ChatGPT. If AI feels overwhelming or too techy, pause. Because I'm about to show you 7 free tools that are made for women just like us, not robots. I help women 45 and over use AI to simplify their business, spark creativity, and reclaim their time. Here are 7 powerful AI tools, and yes, every one of them is free. Number 1, ChatGPT, your writing partner and idea creator. Number 2, Canva Magic Write, makes beautiful graphics and smart words instantly. Number 3, CapCut, edits reels with captions in seconds. Number 4, Kaiber, turns your ideas into animated visuals. Number 5, Pictory, creates videos from your blog posts. Number 6, Remove.bg, instant background remover for brand images. Number 7, NameLix, clever names for your next course or offer. These aren't nice to haves, they're confidence tools. You don't need a tech background, you just need the right guidance. Want help getting started? Visit fearlesschatgpt.com and grab my free guide or book a clarity call with me. I'll show you exactly how to use these tools for your business or content. This isn't about learning AI, it's about using it to build a life that works for you.